Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video we are going to see the problems and issues in agricultural marketing. So in the previous videos we are discussed about the meaning of agriculture marketing and the characters of and its characteristics. So in this video we are going to see the problems that the farmers are facing with agriculture marketing. So the first problem is improper warehousing. There is an absence of proper warehousing facilities in the villages. Therefore, the farmer is compelled to store his produce in pits, muds vessel, kutcha, storehouses, etc. These unscientific methods of storing leads to considerable wastage. Approximately 1.5% of the produce get rotten and become unfit for human consumption. Due to this reason, supply in village markets increase substantially, and the farmers are not able to get a fair price for their produce. The setting up of Central Warehousing Corporation and State Warehousing Corporations has improved the situation to some extent. The next problem is lack of guarding and standardization. Different varieties of agricultural produce are not graded properly. The practice usually prevalent is the one known as Dara sales, wherein a heap of the qualities of produce are sold in on one common lot. Thus, the farmer producing better qualities is not assured of better price. Hence, there is no incentive to use the better seeds and produce the better varieties. The next problem is the presence of large number of middlemen. The chain of middlemen in the agriculture market is so large that the share of farmers is reduced substantially. The next problem is inadequate transport facilities. Transport facilities are highly inadequate in India. Only a small number of villages are joined by railways and pakka roads to mandis. The produce has to be carried on slow-moving transport vehicles like bullock carts. Obviously, such means of transport cannot be used to carry the produce to far off places, and farmer has to dump his produce in nearby markets even if the price obtained in this market is considerably low. This is even truer with the perishables commodities. The next problem is malpractices in unregulated markets. Even now, the numbers of unregulated markets in the country is substantially large. Aryatas and brokers taking advantages of the ignorance and illiteracy of the farmers use unfair means to cheat them. The farmers are required to pay a hearth to the Aryatas Tulai for the weighing the produce, Palledari to unhold bullock carts, and for doing others miscellaneous types of allied works, Garda, for the impurities in the produce, and number of other uh, under fines of unspecified charge. Under fines of unspecified charge. So inadequate market information. So this is the next problem. It is often not possible for farmers to obtain information on exact market prices in different markets. So they accept whatever price the traders offer to them. With a view to tackle this problem, the government is using the radio and television media to broadcast markets prices regularly. The newspapers are also keep the farmers posted with the latest change in prices. So this is the last problem, inadequate credit facility. Indian farmer being poor tries to sell off produce immediately after the crop harvest.